Hello students of class 10. Today we will start a new part for second unit test. It is the drainage of India or the river system of India. The drainage or the river system of India is divided into two parts, the North Indian drainage and the South Indian drainage. The rivers which are in the northern part of India rising from Himalayas are known as the North Indian rivers or the North Indian drainage system, and the rivers which originate from the Deccan Plateau or in the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats and are called the South Indian drainage system. So these two rivers or these two drainage system comprises the river system of our country. The North Indian drainage system are also known as the Himalayan drainage system, which includes the river Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, and the South Indian drainage system is also known as Peninsular drainage system, and the rivers includes the Narmada, Tapti, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, etc. Now we will go in detail about each. First we will read about river Ganga. The Ganga river flows here in the northern part. Ganga. Now, the Ganga, the total length in India is 2530 km. The Ganga river rises from Gangotri Glacier on Kumaon Himalayas in Uttarakhand. When the river Ganga rises, its headstream is known as Bhagirathi. Its headstream is called Bhagirathi. It travels down through a narrow gorges and joins Alakananda at Devaprayag. So the Prayag is the place where the two drainage system meets. At Devaprayag, Alakananda and Bhagirathi meets. The Alakananda rises from Alakpuri Glacier behind Badrinath. The Bhagirathi, after its union with Alakananda from Alakpuri, known as Ganga. Okay. At Rudraprayag, Ganga receives Mandakini, which originates from Gaurikundu. Flowing southward through the Naktiva and Shivalik, the Ganga descends at Haridwar. After Haridwar is the plain course of river Ganga. Ganga's drainage system is classified into three parts. You know, in first chapter you have done that the river's life or the life history of the river, or from source to mouth, the river is divided into three parts. The youth stage, the mature stage and the old stage. Youth stage is where the river originates, that is in the mountainous region. It is also known as a mountain course. Then the middle course, where the river mainly do deposition, and last of all the transportation, and last on is the old stage where the river becomes sluggish, it cannot flow, and the main work of the river is deposition. So from Haridwar the Ganga comes in the plain course. Okay. From Haridwar after Rajmahal Hill in Bihar is the middle stage of river Ganga, and afterwards Ganga comes to the old stage or enters into the old stage. At Dhulian in Murshidabad district, Ganga divides into two branches. One branch enters into Bangladesh in the name of Padma. Another branch enters into West Bengal as Bhagirathi Hooghly, and finally meets in Bay of Bengal, forming great deltas at its mouth. And you know, the largest delta of our country is Ganga Brahmaputra delta, which is the largest delta of the world. Now, Ganga has several tributaries. Some are right bank tributaries, some are left bank tributaries. Now you can ask how you will decide which is the right bank and which is the left bank. The course, the movement of the water or the flowing, the direction in which the river is flowing, that decides the right bank and left bank. the right bank tributaries of river Ganga. There are several right bank tributaries. The left bank tributaries are Ramganga, Gomti, Sarda, Gandak, Koshi, and the right bank tributary is Yamuna. Yamuna is the largest tributary of river Ganga. Please keep in your mind, Yamuna is the largest tributary of river Ganga. This is all about Ganga, very important part. Many objectives can come from this part. Next we are going to Indus. The Indus river originates from the Singhi Khabab lakes in Manasarovar and enters India in Ladakh. Now, and ultimately Indus river empties into Arabian Sea. There are 5 important tributaries of river Indus. They are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. These are the 5 important tributaries of river Indus. The Bengali names are there. Satluj is also called Shatudru, Beas is Bipasha, Ravi is Iravati, Chenab is Chandrabhaga and Jhelum is Bitasta. These are the Bengali names of river tributaries of river Indus. Indus have 5 important tributaries, and these 5 tributaries make the land so fertile by accumulation of fertile alluvium soil that the region is very rich and agriculturally prosperous part. Okay. Now, this is our first video for drainage. In the next video, we will start from Brahmaputra. Thank you, class.